up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another hair tutorial, y'all. I'm feeling this look. It's giving me a lot of vibes, a lot of body. But if you guys want to see how I got this look right here, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys already subscribed, don't forget to hit that bell, sis. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Company I will be working with today is OneMoreHair. Here is the packaging and what the box looks like. It did come with the plastic bag, which had 180 density and 22 inches on the bag. Came with this little brochure with tips and tricks on how to take care of your wig, and a hairnet and some eyelashes. This is the wig. This is their loose deep wave in 22 inches and 180 density. Next, you want to go ahead and clean off the perimeter of your hairline with 91% alcohol, and then we're going to get ready to install this bad boy. Okay, so I've had a lot of people ask me what do I do with my hair up under my wig, so I wanted to show you guys how I mold down my hair up under my wigs. My hair is about maybe 2.5 to 3 inches long, and I just use some Got2b glue gel and just mold everything straight back. For this look, I actually will not be using a bald cap, so I won't be using a stocking cap or a net cap. Just going to slick my hair back with my boar bristle brush that I have, and then after I get everything smooth that like I like it, I get a little bit of Got2b glued freeze spray, hit it with that, and then use the blow dryer to make sure everything is dry, hard, and solid, and flat back. And that will be how I mold down my hair up under my wigs. For my install, I will be using the same Got2b glued gel in the yellow bottle. I'm just going to put a thin coat on my hairline starting from temple to temple, and then I'm going to use a little bit of the freeze spray and use the blow dryer until I get a thick, tacky consistency. Next, I'm taking my blow dryer on a low heat setting and just going to blow dry until, like I said, you get a thick, tacky consistency. You just want to make sure it's tacky and sticking to your fingers a little bit. The stickier, the better. Once you feel that it's sticky enough, you can go ahead and place your lace down where you would like it. Just make sure you don't press anything down, so you could pick it up and move it if you need to. Just make sure you just take your time, work gently, and try not to rush. Once you have everything how you like it placed down, you want to go back in with your blow dryer and just make sure everything is melting into the lace, the gel, and then once you get all that done, you want to go ahead and cut off any excess lace. Once you cut off all excess lace, you want to continue and complete the same process as you did from the temple to temple on your sideburns. I just use a little bit of Got2b glue gel and then the Got2b freeze spray, and then I just lay down my ear tabs using the blow dryer and pressing it down with my fingers. I try to refrain from using my fingers. If you can, try using a rat tail comb, just so you're less contact with any oils or anything from your fingers getting on the lace and prohibiting it from not sticking. But yeah, just like I said, complete the same process as you did before. Use the Got2b glue gel and then the freeze spray, blow dryer on low heat, and then I just press the lace in with my fingers or a rat tail comb. Next, I'm just going to take my wax stick and apply that to the hairline of my wig, and I'm also going to apply that to my part once I part out my hair. Now I'm just going to take out my hot comb and just press out the hairline. You want to make sure everything looks smooth and flat. You don't want any humps, lumps, or bumps. Now we'll be parting my hair. I will be going for a middle part. So as you guys can see, I will be doing a middle part down the middle. This is a 13x4 lace wig, so you do only get 4 inches of parting space. Now I'm just going to go in and press out my part with my hot comb and my wax stick like I showed you guys in the previous clip. Once you have all that done, I'm going to go in and define my part, because once I bleached the knots, I did notice that the bleach had got onto the root of the hair a little bit. So I'm going to go in with my root spray and a end of a rat tail comb and a little bit of foundation to define my part once I have everything pressed out like so. With an e.l.f. eyeshadow blending brush, I'm just going to buff that out with my part so it doesn't look too uniform. Now that that's done, I'm going to be going ahead and laying my baby hairs. Those of you that follow me know that I like to use the Got To Be Glued yellow bottle. I'm just doing 2 simple swoops on each side, and then my ear tabs, nothing crazy. And once that's done, that will complete the look. All things left to do is we're going to detangle the hair and then get into styling. Once you have all your baby hairs laid, you want to go ahead and detangle your hair, and then I like to go over my hair with a light heat protectant spray. For styling, I am going to use my Conair, I believe it is a 1-inch barrel wand curler. I'm just going to start from the bottom, curling away from my face, and then working my way all the way up to the top until I get my desired look, and that will complete the look. All right, guys, this is the finished look, y'all, and I'm so in love, y'all. Look at that. Just look flawless. What lace? Sis, like, what lace? But again, this is One More Hair. This is their loose deep wave texture, and I did get it in 22 inches, 180 density. If you guys like this tutorial and would like to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.